Science Laboratory. Now today we will learn how to make water candles. So materials required for it are a glass full of water, oil, and a wick and matchsticks to light up the candle. Now first we have to take the plastic stick and cut into a circle according to the size of the glass. Now then make hole into it. See, now we have made the hole into it. Okay, now for decoration we are putting some stones into it. Okay, now pour some oil into it. Okay, now take a plastic sheet and take a wick. Now first we have to dip the wick into the oil, then insert it into the plastic sheet. Okay, now put it into the glass. Now we have to light up the wick. See, now we have lightened the candle. Now water candle is ready.